Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we are going to make a one-pan shrimp scampi dip. It is really awesome. It's super easy. You guys are going to love it, and it's delicious, and you make it right in the pan that you can put it out on the table and serve it in. It is a wonderful appetizer recipe for if you're getting together with friends with drinks, or if you just want to have something fun for yourself. So we're going to start with about 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to put it in our cast iron pan and let it start to melt down. Then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of a garlic paste. If you can't find garlic paste or don't have garlic paste, then you can absolutely use minced garlic here. To our garlic and our butter, we're gonna squeeze in the juice from a lemon. So just slice a lemon in half, get out your little juicer here, or just squeeze it in by hand. Oh, there we go. Then you're just gonna mix all that together in your pan. Your butter should be completely melted and your paste should be blending in quite nice. So after that, it's time to add your shrimp. You probably have seen in a supermarket or your fish market that they have something called like a salad shrimp. It's an extra small shrimp that's usually typically good for a shrimp salad or if you're gonna throw it over a salad. But it's actually perfect for this recipe as well. So it comes pre-cooked, deveined, tail off, and you just have to defrost it. You're gonna wanna make sure that your shrimp is fully defrosted before you add it in, because then you're not getting any extra of that water that the shrimp is when it's frozen. So I have about 2 cups of shrimp here. One just missed the pan. But we're just gonna stir that in. Now keep in mind this is cooked, so you don't wanna cook it for too long, but we do want the shrimp to kind of warm up and pick up the flavors from the garlic, the butter, and the lemon. As this is heating up, we're gonna add about half of a cup of a white wine, a nice dry white wine, and then let it cook all together. You're gonna let that cook for about 3 minutes or so, just get nice and hot, and then it's time to fold in your cheeses. So this is just 8 ounces of cream cheese that we're just gonna add right into the pot. Now we're gonna add just a few more ingredients. I have a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese and Parmesan. We're gonna add that in and let that melt into our cream cheese and shrimp and butter and garlic, and just kind of stir it all together so it gets nice and cheesy. All together, you're gonna add about a cup of cheese. So I like to do a mix of Parma and mozzarella, but whatever you wanna do, whatever you like, if you wanna do just mozzarella, just Parm, or try with something else, go ahead. And you're just gonna stir it in so that it begins to melt. The last few ingredients, you're gonna do just a little bit of some black pepper and some chives. Just shake that in. Perfect. And then just give it a nice stir until it's super creamy. And after all of your cheese is melted and your cream cheese and everything's blended, you have yourself this delicious shrimp scampi dip that you could just plop down on a table, hand out some baguettes, and tell people to dig in. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I am going to take a bite of this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.